Now I'm going to show you how we can place text behind the subject. So first of all, we have to go to the green screen, and now I'm going to select myself. And now we have this marks. Now we have to exclude this point, so it will unselect this point. And now I think we are good. Now let's click on this done masking. Now we have to add a 5 feather, and now I'm going to duplicate this video. Now we have to select this blow track, and we have to remove the green screen. Now guys, the next step is to add a text. So click on this text, double click, and I'm going to type text text in capital. And now I'm going to change my weight size to bold. And now let's change the font to this one. And now if you double click, as you can see, the text is changed. But if we click here, as you can see, we have the same old text. So we have to refresh this video editor. And now I'm going to hide my assets. Click on this fit. And now I'm going to trim this text. And now let's click on this fit. Now I'm going to select the text, and I'm going to change the color of this text. Now we are good. Now guys, I'm going to also add a glow. So click on this shadow, and I'm going to change my color to this color. And now I'm going to increase the blur. Now guys, I'm going to increase my size. So I'm going to type 600. And now let's place this text right here. And now I'm going to place this text below the subject. So as you can see, it will appear behind the subject. Now I'm going to also duplicate this text, and let's place this text behind the subject also. And for this, I'm going to type behind. Now let's select and place this right here, and we have to change the size to 500. Now I think we are good. Now I'm going to place this right here. Now guys, we have to animate these text. So I'm going to select this one first, go to the animate, and now I'm going to add an in animation. So I'm going to add this animation. I'm going to select its graph, and I'm going to select cubic. Now I'm going to also add out animation. So click here, and now go to the animate out, and I'm going to select this one. Now back to the timeline, and now we have to select the behind text, and now let's go to the animate. Now for this text, I'm going to click here. Let's add this animation, and for out animation, let's go to the animate out. And if you click here guys, we have another animation. So I thinking we can add this one. So let's place this right here. So guys, this is how we can add text behind the subject.